Chum Reap Sir and welcome to CAM Archi Studio channel. This video will describe about Viglostasi Residenc by Block 722. Please help subscribe, like and share to get more videos. From a distance, Residenc Viglostasi appears like a traditional island settlement, perched on rocky slopes above the Mediterranean Sea. Yet, this is a single, private holiday home, nestled in its secluded, natural site of the Cycladic island of Syros. Its creator, Athens-based architecture studio Block 722, crafted the house's distinctive character by cleverly drawing on the typology of small Aegean villages, minimalist constellations of low volumes, often found sprawled on hillsides, looking out towards the sea. The project was commissioned by a family of 4, who had been looking to build their dream retreat there, after exploring different islands and inspired by Block 722's past works on Syros, the residential scheme Syros I and Syros II. The clients' brief outlined a home inspired by the simple forms of the Greek island vernacular. This chimed in perfectly with Block 722's signature blend of low-key, gentle architecture, minimalist forms, natural materials, and neutral colors. The family was also after a generous, yet modest and calming space to stay, host, and entertain, making the most of the island's slow, indoor-outdoor lifestyle. The result is a 500 sqm complex of low, orthogonal volumes, arranged around a network of pathways that connect both enclosed spaces and the various terraces, gardens, and patios on site. The main house contains a principal suite and a second bedroom, as well as a flowing, open-plan living space. 2 guest suites provide additional sleeping quarters, remaining connected to the primary residence through shared facilities and vistas. A central outdoor plaza brings everything together and acts as a circulation heart to the whole, leading towards the 25-m-long infinity pool and lounge terrace to the lower end of the plot. It offers uninterrupted views towards the horizon, while underneath it, a home gym and yoga terrace are tucked away, allowing privacy for exercising and meditation. Spreading the home on different levels manages the site's steep incline. It also permits long views from almost everywhere. Meanwhile, the modest stone, wood, and plaster volumes spaced out placement make the complex appear at home within the errant, Greek landscape. Light, nature-inspired color tones, terrazzo palladino floors, traditional shutters and pergolas, a garden of native species, and a green roof, further accentuate this feeling. At the same time, a sense of gentle luxury prevails. This is achieved not only by the generosity of space throughout, but also through bespoke details, such as the joinery, and the materials used, which include Olympus marble, travertine stone, bamboo, and oak wood. It all perfectly fits the client's vision for a home that feels like a family of traditional Aegean structures, offering different views, feels, and qualities of space to play with and enjoy. It makes the most of the site's substantial size and connects seamlessly indoors and outdoors, creating spatial narratives and framing views along the way, eventually leading down to the client's own cove, used for private swimming and yacht mooring. We hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.